Dear students, today we shall know how to write a summary. Students, a summary is a brief statement on account of the main points of an article or a text. Here, brief statement means a short statement. But remember, children, that short statement should be a detailed outline of the original text or article. Also, you can say a summary is restatement of main points. Children, a summary provides an unbiased overview of an article. Summary of an article conveys the main idea. It is shorter than the original work. A summary informs the readers of an article's overall theme without repeating every detail. Children, when you write a summary, it shows your competency that you have identified the most important basic ideas addressed in a text. Children, while summarizing an article, you can ask the following questions. Number 1, how shall I briefly explain to someone what this text or article is about? Number 2, how has the writer organized the text? Number 3, what is the main idea the writer is trying to convey to his readers? Number 4, does my summary match or connect the writer's original intention? Now, let us know about the summary writing format. Please, children, listen to me carefully. Remember to write the summary in the form of a paragraph. Begin the summary with an introductory sentence that states the title of the article. Write the summary in your own words. Children, preserve the ideas of the original text. Do not insert your personal opinions or comments at all. Children, point out the writer's purpose for writing. Next, observe how the text is organized. Use the similar structure while summarizing. Children, take note of the main idea in a text. Introduction and conclusion are the best places to look for the main idea. Write a last sentence that wraps up your summary. Your summary should provide the readers with a clear understanding of the original text, even they have never read it before. Children, please do not use direct quotes. You can say, according to the writer, or as per the opinion of the writer, or the writer states that, etc. Express the writer's ideas in your own words. Do not use much minor details in your summary. Focus on the major ideas within the text. Note the keywords, important phrases or points. Highlight or underline the important sentences. Note the topic sentence in the original text. The topic sentence will contain the main topic or idea in the text. Outline the main idea of the original text. Keep the outline short and to the point. Identify one or two examples from the original text that support the main idea. Create a strong opening line. Children, please answer who, what, where, why. You will have the idea of writing the summary. As for example, just see who is being addressed or what is being discussed in the original text. See where the article is set. Think why the writer is discussing this subject or this subject matter in the original text. Choose the points to support your opening line. in your own words. Children, once again to remind you, remember not to offer own opinion or interpretation while summarizing, but you need to write the summary in your own words. Keep the summary short and to the point. Read the summary after you finish the first draft. Revise it. Remove the repetition if any. Please see. Here is an example of summary writing from your textbook.